welcome back to Made by Nale. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make bloomers, and this is a rare sighting of me with makeup on. Maybe I should do it more often, but I've just come back from work and you know the vibes guys. So basically this is my first time making shorts, making bloomers, making anything. In my head I can already see it going a bit left. But you know what? I'm going to take my time with it. I've got how many days off? 2 days off. So I'm going to take my time today. I'm just going to try and focus on maybe making the shorts. And then tomorrow, I'm going to focus on like the frills and everything. So as you can see, I'm using 2 different fabrics. I'm using this one, which is like a stretch. What do they call? Polyester, yeah. Polyester 4-way stretch. You need something flexible. I like it because it kind of gives off a satin like aesthetic. It's not really satin, but you guys get it. It gives off satin a tiny bit. And then I've got this mesh that I'm going to use for the frills. So this mesh is not stretchy at all. It's just like stiff. I don't know if I'm meant to be using stretchy ones, but I'm just going to do like gathers. So I'm going to gather this. So I'm going to cut it into strips and then gather it. I don't know if it's going to work. But you know what? I'm going to give it a go. Because I like how flowy it is and I want it to have a bit of movement. So yeah. I think we're going to use all of this fabric for the frills. Defo. Maybe I might end up needing some more. But yes, guys, stay tuned. And thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in. Don't watch my eyelash. It's a bit mad. But thank you so much for tuning in. I greatly appreciate it. And everyone that's just followed, thank you ever so much. Keep following, subscribe, share with your friends. Love you all. Mwah. So I started off by getting some old shorts. Like, I absolutely hate these shorts, guys, but they do the trick. You want to fold them in half. Make sure you've got like an outline. You'll see what I mean in a second. You see the outline? That outline. So once you've got your outline, you want to put the shorts on a fold, and you can see me indicating that it has to be a fold, guys, because you want to get like a long piece. And I would suggest folding it twice. You'll know what I mean in a second, because if you fold it twice, you'll get 2 bits. I only folded it once here before I cut. And if you're unsure, I know I'm a beginner, but you guys know I love to get into my scissors. If you're unsure, make sure to put a pin where the trousers are or something to keep the trousers in place. As you can see, I left a large seam allowance because I would rather have more than less. Once that's done, you should have 2 pieces looking like this, what's on the table. Like I said, if you fold it 4 times, you'll get this easy peasy. This is me just trying to make sure that the right sides are together, because now we're going to pin the edges together. So yeah, make sure it's right sides together, guys. So now using pins, you want to pin the edge together, making sure to stop right at the point. Just like this, and do the same for the other side, and we're going to take it to the sewing machine. Here's me just showing you guys exactly what we're going to do, and this is me showing you that we left it open at the point. Okay, now I'm saying so. And then now we're just going to sew the edges. And since my E4 era last DIY, I'm so worried, guys. I take my time and I have this scared face on 24/7. I need to stop that, or else I'm going to get frowning marks. But yeah, just sew those pieces together. Once you've sewn those pieces together, you should have something like this. And now you want to literally pull it apart so that it looks like this, and you can sort of see the trousers or shorts. Why do I keep calling them trousers? But yeah, you get the vibes. And then now we're going to pin the crotch area together. So I'm going to speed this up and then show you how. As you can see here, I'm just matching the center of the crotch together. But yeah, I'm going to speed it up and then slow it down when it's time. Before I speed things up, I'm just going to show you that I pinned the ends just following that crotch line. So you just want to like obviously leave an opening for where your legs are going to go, as you can see, and then you're just going to like pin up. I was really struggling to show you guys, but I will drop like an TikTok or an Instagram, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to speed things up now. And then I sewed the pieces together very slowly. So that's basically the shorts done, and then this is me showing you how I did the frills. So remember the way that we did the pleats last week for the DIY miniskirt? I literally did the same method. As you can see, I'm gathering here, but instead of having it long like this, I decided to fold it in half so that there was like levels to it, and it was just the perfect length. You see how cutesy that looks? Yeah, that's what you want to do. It should look like this, and I did about 10, and then once that was done, I just kind of matched it to my trousers, and I just sewed every single part together, like going round for the back. And yeah guys, that's how I made these bloomers. I am so in love. Let me know if you give it a go, and see you next week.